It's Friday, September 20th, 8:50 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's go to my account, see what we're working with today. I have $349 total account value, and I have the same amount in settled cash I can trade with today. So I will pause the video and be back when the market opens. Watching BNZI, about 7 minutes into the market, 9:37 Eastern. I have day on this is 669. I have an order ready for 40 shares. We are in this trade. We are in at 680. Profit and loss down here. We're in with 40 shares at 680. Showing a little uncertainty here on what it wants to do. I have a take profit roughly set at 698. May need to adjust that as we continue on here. Again, high of day is 697 on this stock. It's had a nice run of strength here since the open. We are in at 680. Currently the top gainer in the market. And we have been stopped out on that wick. All right, negative 1762. That's a 5% loss for the day. I tried to let this trade run a little bit and breathe. It was showing some uncertainty. But once that candle wicked down, it took me right out of the trade. And it happens, but not the end of the world. We come back again next Monday and go at it again.